just a quick update on old Jess. We had her towed off to the mechanics, and they have took this off, which is the hydraulic gear selector motor, which apparently was being on and off working. So they opened it up, and apparently it had lots of a dust-like substance inside, which they've cleaned out, and they're going to reattach it and let us know if that works or not. So yeah, she's been here for a while now. We've just come to collect some bits and bobs out the van that we left in there that we need. There he is. Hi, Dave. Yeah, so hopefully she will be back with us soon. So just have to wait and see how she gets on. Wait for that hopeful phone call. So stay tuned.